In this video, we will be talking about 3D printing. What is 3D printing? 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. 3D printing enables you to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. The creation of a 3D printed object is achieved using additive processes. In an additive process, an object is created by laying down successive layers of material until the object is created. Each of these layers can be seen as a thinly sliced cross-section of an object. Who is using 3D printing? Many modern professionals take advantage of using 3D printing on a permanent basis. The technology is constantly evolving together with a number of industries in which 3D printing is used. Companies like Adidas and New Balance use 3D printing to design shoes, making them unlike any other shoe. The automobile industry has been using 3D printing for a long time now in order to print spare parts slash tools to restore old cars. Why are they using 3D printing? Speed. One of the biggest advantages of 3D printing is rapid prototyping. This is the ability to design, manufacture, and test a part in little to no time. Consistency. The traditional manufacturing process can result in a percentage of body parts being defective or inconsistent with the quality compared to others. With 3D printing, the parts are printed in succession, therefore reducing the overall number of failed parts or wasted material. Where are they using 3D printing? 3D printing can be found in the environmental engineering and architectural industry to recreate cities in a matter of hours, to help in times of natural disasters, and to create buildings. The music industry is using 3D printing in order to get high quality original instruments at a cheap price. Professionals both from large and small companies, artists, scientists, designers, engineers, and architects choose this technology not only to try something new and different, they choose it because of less expensive non-waste production, simplified manufacturing processes, the possibility of using recyclable materials, simplicity and mobility, environmentally friendliness, and unlimited shapes and size of products. When are they using 3D printing? 3D printing has been around for a while now, with the automobile industry being one of the first to use this idea. 3D printing was invented in the 1980s, so it hasn't been around for a very long time, but it is quickly becoming popular to many industries for different uses. But the main purpose of using it is all the same. It's cheaper, quicker, and environmentally friendly. We don't think about it much, and don't see it much, but people are using 3D printing all the time to create things that were once unimaginable. An example would be shoes. Shoes are being 3D printed for consumer purposes and being marketed as environmentally friendly, which is something a lot of people push for nowadays. Applying 3D printing to help solve SDGs. 3D printing can be helpful in the education system. By implementing this into the classroom, it brings excitement and a better understanding of the design process and the concept of creating. 3D printing allows for food presentations that are visually appealing and therefore appetizing. 3D printing food may have an impact on relieving hunger around the world, using abundant and easily sourced food types such as algae, which are rich in protein. And NASA has been developing a 3D printer for deep space that will create meals from powdered proteins, carbohydrates, macronutrients, and micronutrients. This proves that 3D printing food is very probable and can help solve hunger if implemented in those needed areas. Two truths and one lie. 3D printing only requires a push of a button. 3D printers can create both small and large objects slash parts. 3D printing uses recyclable material, making it environmentally friendly.